welcome to this edition of Everything Home. I'm your host, Brian Domingo. Today we're going to do a really quick tutorial on how to clean your garbage disposal. I've been asked by several of my friends what's the easiest way to clean a garbage disposal with what you have around the house. And this only requires 3 ingredients that typically everybody has at their house. The first one is dish soap. And no, I don't work for Palmolive, but let me recommend their antibacterial soap. It's a really good soap and it helps you not get stinky sponges. The other ingredient that you need is going to be some bleach. And the third ingredient is ice. You need about 8 cups of ice, or say about 3 trays of ice cubes. Now let's go inside. We're going to get started on this. It's really easy and your house won't stink anymore from that stinky garbage disposal. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is to run the water into your garbage disposal and get your water to be about lukewarm. Once you're done with that, shut it off. Add the ice into the sink. You want to pour some down into the garbage disposal, but don't pack it in there. Then you're going to want to add a nice heavy squeeze of your dishwashing detergent, and then you're going to want to add about a half cup to a full cup of bleach. You'll want to turn your garbage disposal on and then slowly feed the ice down into it. It's going to make kind of a slushy inside there. When it gets a little thick, then you'll add a little bit of water and then push the rest of the ice in there. That ice is going to mix around and break up all that sludge in there, and the bleach is going to help kill the odors. And then you're going to want to run the warm water into it until all the ice disappears, and then run a little bit more hot water, and that's going to make the smell go away and clean out your garbage disposal. Well, now that you don't have a stinky garbage disposal, remember to please subscribe to our channel on YouTube so you can see new videos when they come out. And be sure to like our Facebook page and visit our website at everythinghometv.com. Thank you very much.